slightly breezy today, but it's not bad for flying this little guy. I'm not very fond of quad rotors. I don't know, there's never been quite enthused about the full rotor helicopters, but this one is pretty stable. Pretty stable. I flew the first quad rotor. I flew about maybe 10 years ago. The technology was not quite up to the level that it is these days. So the sensors and the stabilizers, the piezo gyros, were not as small as they are today. So these things were not quite popular yet. Anyway, this is the Blade mQX. Did it with the Mia Microflight saucer-like canopy. This is the Phantom look. Got the carbon pattern. No decals yet. Just flying it for fun. And just to do a little video other than the ones that I've been doing already, which have been more static, to show the static model. It's a little breezy. I'm surprised it's holding its heading quite well. I do have my control set up on high rates, so it is a little bit sensitive. I would recommend that if you fly these guys, and if you're a beginner, you set your rates on your transmitter to low rates with at least 50% exponential. There goes the wind. Focus on the trees, Ron. So we can see that branch over there? See the breeze? It's quite breezy today. Okay, let me go change the body. Let me go get the green one. Okay, this is the Mia Microflight UFO style body for the Blade mQX. This is the Phantom version, which is the carbon pattern, and this one doesn't have decals yet. We've been just testing these bodies, so I'm about to install the edge. The edge are the color ones. Mia Edge come in various colors, and this one has been already installed with the decals. Basically, the body installs in similar fashion as the original stock mQX body installs. So it's very easy, very simple, and we do it this way just to keep it lightweight and not to hinder the performance of the model. Those are the other canopies that we make that are also at Mia Microflight website, www.micro-flight.com. So we're going to test, actually we've been testing already. We know that it flies pretty good, and this one has been also retrofitted with Mia TUFF landing gear in a kind of a custom installation here. We're going to be supplying this as a kit, the legs with the special hardware here, so you can attach it as you see it here. And what that does is it provides a little more cushion to the landing. It's not as hard as with the original. It's pretty rigid. There's no flexibility whatsoever when you land hard, and you risk breaking the model if you land pretty hard. So that's the reason for this particular Mia TUFF landing gear contraption here. Let's do a test here. Let me snap this back in place and see what it does. Alrighty. I'm just going to fly it low. I mean, there's no need to fly this real high because you can't appreciate the model when it flies too high. And there are many other videos that show the capabilities of the model. So the model flies pretty high. That's not an issue with it. This particular Blade mQX has got plenty of power, and because the bodies that we're making are lightweight, performance remains the same, if not better. you want to fly the model. These models fly a lot better because they're so lightweight. They fly better in calm, very calm weather. Today it's a little breezy, and so we're kind of trying to fight the breeze a little bit here, as we can see in the trees how the branches are moving. It tracks pretty good for a quad rotor helicopter. A little breezy, and it's pretty stable. Now let's do some. Let me drop this model on purpose, and that's what the landing gear is supposed to do. It's supposed to cushion the fall. Alright, so let's do the other bodies. Let's put the other bodies and let's see how it looks with the other bodies, okay? Alright. Okay, we just installed the other canopy, the C-style canopy. Once again, we're flying and in a very breezy day. Just try to keep it low here. I'm probably going to run out of battery here in my camera, as well as the battery on the model here. So let me just bring it here. 4, 3.